So I went on the craziest side quest yesterday and picked up my 2 a.m. Facebook Marketplace find, this S550. I paid $1,500 for this. It is a one owner. It has been wrecked in the front end. Found it on Facebook Marketplace at like 2 a.m. Monday night and went to go get it yesterday. That was quite a treat. We had to kind of roll it down. It does turn surprisingly well. They work. The brakes work. There you go. There's a long road ahead of me. So the goal for today was to be roll this thing outside, wash it, because I'm pretty sure there's hornets living in it, and then try to get a battery in this and start it. It was not a good idea to drive it. Oh shit! Oh shit! What if the airbag just blows?
Care what you think at this point. We're getting a clip of you driving this out towards the street. Like, I'm gonna try driving it home. I don't know if it's the best idea, but I'm gonna try it.
That Optima yellow top should start it like a charm.
Amen. It will.
Wait, can you say that again?
I got it on my, I got Ian
The
agree.
Optima yellow top should start it like a charm.
Yes. It should start right up. It's in park. Brake. Okay, it's not happy. Should I do it? Yeah. Should I crank it and immediately turn it off?
Yeah, give it a crank.
Oh my god! What did it sound like? I blacked out.
Like a stock EcoBoost.
Okay, we're going to the gas station right now, before the rain.
Do you think that's what it is? It needs gas?
I think it ain't got no gas.
Do you think if I could put gas in it, we'll drive it home tonight?
Yeah.
That's crazy. 22,900 miles. Got my pony logo.
Oh, your tire's low, dude.
That's what's wrong with it. I need a new tire.
Yeah.
It's pretty high. It's in the back seat.
Oh, that's true.
This is crazy, God. Wait, do my headlights work?
I think this one's out.
Oh.
That one's out too. They're both out. I think you just need like the pump.
Shall we come around? Come see my truck. I'm nervous. What if there's a dead body in it? Oh, is that my headlight? Guys, there it is.
Dude, plug her in.
I'm ready to hit the road.
That's why she crashed, dude. Look, it said text me.
Texting and driving kills.
Whoa, we did it, boys. I paid cash for my S550. Don't look at this part of it. Brake fluid level low.
Yeah.
You don't need brakes.
Okay, do I start? I'm nervous. What if I blow it up?
Well, good thing it was only $1,500.
It said C manual and I turned it off.
Give it some revs.
I don't want to blow it up. What? But like it said C manual as soon as it like dropped RPMs or whatever.
Let's see it. Let's do it again. We gotta check out the check engine. Check engine light was definitely on.
Yeah.
But
It
runs.
sounded cool.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us.
I don't think I can drive it.
We're gonna drive it.
Oh, I have no brake.
Handbrake.
I put it in park and the transmission didn't do anything. You made me drive it. It was not a good idea to drive it.
You have to drive it into the shop. You're driving this home.
I had no brake. Did I just ruin the transmission?
No.
No.
I just saw my trailer and I saw my money fleeing away. I was like, oh.
So it should look like this, but this car looks like that.
You versus the guys who tells you not to worry about.
You would tell me if I had a bent strut tower, right?
So it moves under its own power though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just doesn't stop.
So I figured I would take this time to tell you about this car. It is a one-owner 2017 EcoBoost Mustang with 20,000 miles on it. I bought it off of a guy who was pretty close to here, and it was his mother's, who had since passed away. And the story is that in 2017, she had wrecked this car into a culvert and insurance wouldn't cover the damage. So they got it towed back to their house and they let it sit since that day in 2017. So obviously this thing has a whole ecosystem living in it and it's gonna take a lot of work to clean it. The guy said he got a quote from the body shop for about $10,500 to make this thing run, drive, and look brand new. Now, I don't want to put too much weight to that because I don't know the logistics of it, but I know that thankfully a lot of these parts I have partners for, or I can get replacements on the cheap, especially if I turn this into a drift car. It doesn't need a lot of stock components. As I'm taking apart this car to see exactly what damage we're talking about, a lot of these parts I'm not reusing, so of course I'm just going to toss them and cut them up. This car has so much dirt underneath it that even the side skirts have a whole slew of dirt in them. And so far, the biggest job has just been cleaning all of it. As I'm taking a look at the damage, obviously the driver's strut tower needs to be pulled out, there's a small crinkle in the frame rail, and obviously it needs a whole new subframe. Okay, so basically that is the current state of the car, because I need to continue working on this one and to make it drivable and driftable, but I definitely need to hit that with another pressure washing pass, probably in here on the lift with some plastic around it. I've got my crazy pile of parts over here that I have to throw away. I'm gonna get some information on pulling out the front end of it to see if it's drivable again, but all in all, my goal would be to turn that into a drift car because this is getting very tired, very rusty, very old. So if this can be fixable, maybe I'll keep the EcoBoost for a minute, maybe I'll do a 5.0 swap, whatever it is. I just really want to start drifting a better car. So that's it for now. I'll keep you guys updated as I start to clean it and build it and to see what we can do with it.